Hello? Hello? Let me introduce to you one that is now a global hit. The best deals in the world. The world's smartest construction machinery product. This product is produced by our Shandong Durable Machinery Equipment Company. Let me introduce the detailed process to you. This device is from top material to smart mixing to transportation, the conveyor system. It can be delivered to your application scenario. Let's say your 30th floor, 40 floors, 50 floors is fine. You can see the detailed process. This place is the location for unloading. It can hold powder, wet material, etc. It is a charging position. This position is a feeding process. The feeding control